Hey everybody, this is Steve at Biographics. I'm going to show you how we clean the platens on our screen printing shirt press here. So I'm spraying on some adhesive remover. This is actually the same adhesive remover I use whenever I'm removing vinyl graphics from a sign or the side of a vehicle. It just dissolves adhesive and makes it a lot easier to remove. Here I'm scraping away the top layers of these, I call it t-shirt fuzzies. So as we're printing t-shirts, we spray down spray adhesive to hold the t-shirt in place, and in every shirt we put on and take off, it leaves behind just a little bit of fuzzies that stick to the shirt platen board here. So after a while that all builds up. Now this platen here, I've only printed about a little over 100 black t-shirts on, and you can see how much it was built up in those black shirt fuzzies. And so as we go along here, it gets cleaner and cleaner. Just take some scrubbing and some back and forth spraying the adhesive remover on there and coming back in with the paper towel and wiping it down and just working down through those layers and layers and layers of the t-shirt fuzzies and the adhesive sticky material. And it's a messy job. It's one of those things that the general public usually doesn't get to see that happens behind the scenes. It's all part of the process of printing t-shirts, and you can tell I edited out a lot of the parts of this process just to make the video not quite as long, but this takes quite a while, and it's just messy, but it's something I think people are interested in seeing, and it's a job that, I don't necessarily enjoy doing it, but it needs to be done. And I think it's just a neat example of one of those things that happens behind the scenes. And it's nice to see the finished clean board after I'm all done scraping off and cleaning off all those t-shirt residue fuzzies. I call it fuzzies. I don't know why. But could you imagine, the little fibers that come off of a t-shirt, and just shirt after shirt, couple hundred of them, eventually you get a pretty good layer of fibers that build up there. So now we've got a nice clean t-shirt printing platen ready for the next big printing job, and it makes a nice smooth surface. Hey, thanks for watching.